Today we'll be making an effective pink lip scrub with just 4 ingredients. The idea is to formulate a product that will gradually exfoliate the lips while brightening and moisturizing it. Welcome to Bloom Skincare. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly click on the subscription button below to become part of the family. Also turn on your post notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video. Getting right into it, guys, I'll be introducing my ingredients. This is my shea butter. It has already been double boiled. Shea butter will act as a moisturizer in this formula. It's packed filled with vitamins A and E and fatty acids that will moisturize and glow your skin. Here we have our sugar. Sugar is actually going to be an exfoliant in this formulation. Sugar is packed filled with glycolic acid that is going to help exfoliate dead skin cells off your lips to reveal a smoother and healthier skin. We also have our Gemal Plus. This is actually optional, but I'm using it because this product is going to be in the bathroom and it's going to come in contact with water. It's a preservative. And finally, we have our coloring. This is a liquid coloring. You can use this for fondant, you can use it for creams. So let's get right into it, guys. This is a very simple recipe. No real measurements needed. You're just going to eyeball most of it, and please don't add any liquid into this recipe. So straight into your melted shea butter, you're going to be adding in a drop of your coloring. Guys, you need to be very careful because this coloring is very powerful. A little goes a very long way. So just a drop, and I'm going to continue stirring that. Make sure it incorporates properly. This is very important if you want your final product, to have an even color. So you have to make sure the color is stirred properly into the oil. I'm also going to add another drop. I feel like that was very little, so adding in a second drop, I'm going to go back to the stirring process. As you can see, the color has properly infused into the oil. It has properly blended. So next I'll be going in with my other oil based ingredient, which is my preservative. Here I have my Gemal Plus. Like I said, for this formulation, preservative is actually optional, depending on if you're making much, but I like to put in my preservative because I use very little, and even this small quantity will last me for a long while. So better safe than sorry, guys. So once you add in your preservative, you give it a good stir, and it's time to go in with your exfoliant. Look at how nice that is looking already. So now I'm going to add sugar to the mixture. Again, there's no exact measurement. You just have to eyeball it, depending on how dry or how thick you want the scrub to be. So once you add in your sugar, you give it a really good stir. You make sure everything is combined, the colors, the oils, and the sugar. So once it's all combined, guys, there you have it. That is your simple DIY effective sugar scrub for your lip. If you've enjoyed the video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or observations, kindly drop them in the comment section below. I can't wait to reply each and every one of them. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until I come your way in the next video, please remain blessed.